Darth Vader chasing a monkey.
Poor monkey.
Darth Vader has two swords. They're chasing each other around a kitchen table. What will the outcome be? Seeing as I am almost out of batteries, I should stop, but I thought I should show you this. This has been a Tsukio production. Thank you for watching. Now guys, wave goodbye.
Bye! Bye!
This has been William the Monkey and Jesse Darth Vader. And I'm not helping you, kid.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, monkey's dead. Dead monkey. Okay, bye.
Okay. Last movie, guys.
Let's go. Go! Go! Now stop. We're done. Now look at me. Let's do one more. Okay, we gotta make that.
Welly, welly.
Say goodbye, everybody.
Say it's been a Tsukio production.
What?
Say it's been a Tsukio production.
Okay, replay that.
No monkey or Jedi were harmed in the making of this film. Believe me, I was the one causing all the mayhem. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.